Welcome. If you've ever reacted to a message on Messenger and instantly wished you could take it back, you're not alone. Maybe you hit the wrong emoji, or maybe you just changed your mind. Whatever the reason, removing a reaction is quick and easy with the latest Messenger updates. Let's walk through the steps together so you can undo any reaction in just a few taps. First, open the Messenger app on your phone or tablet. Make sure you're logged into the account where you added the reaction. Once you're in, scroll through your chats and find the conversation where you want to remove the reaction. It could be a group chat with friends, a family thread, or a private message. This method works everywhere. Now, look for the exact message that you reacted to. Take your time and make sure you've got the right one. When you've found it, press and hold directly on that message. Don't just tap it quickly. Hold your finger down for a second or two. This will bring up a menu with all the available emoji reactions. Here's the key step. In the pop-up, you'll see the emoji you originally used to react. To remove your reaction, simply tap that same emoji again. Think of it as a toggle. Tapping the emoji a second time will instantly remove your reaction from the message. You'll see the emoji disappear, and the message will go back to normal, as if you never reacted at all. That's all there is to it. No confirmation screens or extra steps. Whether you're using an iPhone, Android, or tablet, this process is the same. If you ever send a reaction by mistake or just want to tidy up your chat, you now know exactly how to fix it. Thanks for joining me today. Give it a try the next time you need to delete a reaction, and enjoy a cleaner, more accurate Messenger experience.